Hello again. Today we're going to talk about compound and complex sentences. Overall, there are three types of sentences. They are simple, compound, and complex sentences. In this unit, we will focus on compound and complex sentences. Before we talk about compound and complex sentences, we need to look at their basic parts. Dependent and independent clauses. 这两种句型的基本单位是独立和不独立子句。A dependent clause is a sentence that cannot express a complete meaning. 也就是说，不独立子句它要表达的意思是不完整的，它话没说完。For example, when Susie walked by a flower shop. 当 Susie 走过一间花店时，然后呢？话没说完。Next example, because I was late for class. Well, this is also incomplete in expression. The second part is independent clauses. An independent clause is a sentence that has a complete thought. 用国语讲就是说，他的话有说完。For example,Susie loves to walk by the flower shop. Okay, this is something that Susie loves to do. Next one is, I was late for class 2 times this week. Well, this is something that I did this week. We have a mini practice here. As you can see, there are 2 sentences on the screen. We had to fix our car last month.Until we fix our car. Which one is a dependent clause? And which one is an independent clause? The answer is, until we fix our car. This is a dependent clause. We had to fix our car last month. This is an independent clause. Now we move on to compound and complex sentences.A compound sentence has 2 independent clauses. I love to eat vegetables, and they are good for you. I love to eat vegetables. This has a complete thought, so it is an independent clause. They are good for you also has a complete thought. It is also an independent clause.A complex sentence has 1 dependent clause and 1 independent clause. Because the soup was cold, I put it in the microwave. Because the soup was cold doesn't have a complete thought. It is dependent. I put it in the microwave. This one has a complete thought, so it is independent.We have another mini exercise here. You can see there are 2 sentences in color blue. When he was very young, he believed in Santa Claus. I need to go to the store as I'm out of eggs. Which sentence is a compound sentence? Which sentence is a complex sentence? The answer is, when he was very young, he believed in Santa Claus.This is a complex sentence. I need to go to the store as I am out of eggs. And this one is a compound sentence. Let's review. A dependent clause doesn't have a complete thought. For example, before she goes to bed. An independent clause has a complete thought. For example,She always drinks a cup of milk in the morning. A compound sentence has 2 independent clauses. For example, I want to get up early, yet I go to bed at 1 a.m. every day. A complex sentence has 1 dependent clause and 1 independent clause. For example,After he finished his work, he went to the gym. Great. I bet you know how to make a complete sentence now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.